In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a foam roller to alleviate stiffness in the upper back, mid-back area, especially for those that do a lot of sitting for work at a computer or at a desk. So what you can do is you can place the foam roller across your spine. I would start around the upper mid-back area. Hug yourself to get the shoulder blades out the way, and then bridge up, and then slowly roll up and down the spine. And you don't have to go down to the lower back. I like to focus on the mid and upper back. And usually I spend maybe 1 to 2 minutes rolling up and down. If your neck gets tired, you can support your neck with your hands behind your neck. And after doing that, I like to do some thoracic extension. What you can do is you're going to sit down and arch your back, have the foam roller across the mid back. I like to do about 10 repetitions of this to reverse the effects of being hunched over.